Constituent analysis. It's another approach with the aim to describe English language, especially in English sentence. So it was basically designed to show how small constituent or components in sentences go together to form large constituent. For example, small constituents, obviously they are word, noun, verb, adjective. How they form bigger constituent or bigger components like phrases. So this approach helps us in understanding that how small words or small constituent go with bigger constituents. One basic step is determining how words go together to form phrases, as I said. So this approach, constituent approach, help us in knowing that how the basic or the smaller constituents form bigger constituents. So for example, at word level, let's look at this sentence. An old man brought a shotgun to the wedding. So we know that at word level, this sentence got almost 9 words. An old man brought a shotgun to the wedding. But how many phrases these 9 words make, right? So how do they go together to form constituent at phrase level? That is now the next step to understand this constituent analysis. If we join word like an old man brought a shotgun to the etc. So we have formed the words, we have brought the words together, right? But they do not give us a better understanding of the phrase because they do not match with each other. So the phrase like constituent here are combination of the following type. For example, an old man, a shotgun, the wedding. So these are the constituents made up on smaller constituent which make phrases. So an old man is a noun phrase, a shotgun is a noun phrase, the wedding is a noun phrase, right? And the smaller constituent are joined or go with the bigger constituent. Let's now look at another type of diagram to understand this constituent analysis. The old man, 3 constituents, smaller constituent, but they form one phrase. Brought, 1 constituent, but it makes 1 phrase, verb phrase. A shotgun, 2 constituent, but makes 1 phrase. To the wedding, 3 constituent, but it makes 1 phrase. So let's have another type of diagram to understand the same sentence. The old man brought a shotgun to the wedding. So we know that how many smaller constituent it has. Then we have the sentence, the woman kept a large snake in a cage. So the woman can be replaced with the old man, right? And similarly, a shotgun can be replaced with a large snake. And to the wedding can be replaced with in a cage. So they are the same constituent. Similarly, we can have another sentence, John took Kingston with him. So John, which is a proper noun, can be replaced with the noun phrases like the woman and the old man. And similarly, Kingston, which is a proper noun, can be replaced with a large snake, a shotgun. And now with him, which is a prepositional phrase, is similar to the prepositional phrase in the previous 2 sentences, to the wedding and in a cage, right? Now, the 4th sentence, I saw him recently. In this, the pronoun I have the same function as the smaller unit, are equal to the noun phrase, the old man or the woman, and also to the proper noun. And similarly, him is equal to a shotgun, large snake, and recently can be used equally in place of with him in a cage or to the wedding. So these understanding of constituent analysis help us in understanding that how smaller constituent form bigger constituent, and how bigger constituent can be replaced with the smaller constituents, and how different constituents work in a sentence. So this constituent analysis is very helpful in the first place understanding the smaller constituent, and then in understanding the bigger constituent which the smaller constituent make. In this way we can learn that how the different constituents have the similar grammatical categories as well as grammatical properties.